All right, Sharks, here's what we have going on today for our e-learning day. You've already clicked on number 1. You're listening to the directions right now. Number 2, you're going to click on this Nearpod. It'll pop up in a new screen. The code is in purple here. It's all capitals. You're going to put that into your Nearpod screen here. Go ahead and join using, after you go through this screen, you're going to put in your first name, last initial so that we can give you credit for your work. And then you're going to go through on slide 27. There is a screen that looks like this. And you're going to go ahead and use the text feature chart to chart your pieces of evidence for why or why not you think each candidate is honest or works well with others. So we looked at their digital footprint. Now we're filling in this chart. And you're going to use the text box feature. So let's get the text box in there. Oh, come on. There we go. You'll have to make it smaller, and you're going to put about, 8 text boxes in. Enter your text in here. Make sure it's something easy to read. Green, dark blue, black would all be good colors. I would stick away from orange, yellow, red's kind of angry. So let's stick with some of those. Make it easy to read. You're going to fill out all 8 of those boxes, and you can keep going back and forth to the article here. But I would go ahead and download the article too, so that you can just do a split screen then, and it's a little bit easier. I know it says 7 pages, but it's pretty brief, and I think you guys will be kind of entertained by what they include here, because these 2 candidates have an interesting digital footprint to examine for this activity. So once you've done that, let's return to our agenda. And you're going to click on our Flex Day submission, number 3. Again, a breakdown of the 2 steps. And you can see in the blue here is what I'm looking for in terms of grading. And this assignment's going to be worth 18 points total. And you can see exactly what is being graded there. Look at that. 3 people in here real early. Neat. And then you can go ahead and submit in the top right corner. I don't have it here, but you will. And if you have any questions, you can visit our help discussion, because I will be in meetings all morning, and so I won't be able to help you quickly. So go ahead and post your questions here. I can't answer your questions on messages because that's been our policy. Same thing with the last e-learning day. If you post your question here, I can answer it. Just with the number of people asking questions, this has been really helpful and should hopefully get you some help a little bit faster. All right, I hope you guys have a great Flex Day and enjoy your time at home. I will see you next week or at school in the hallways.